Hi class 10 students, I hope you all are doing well. So welcome to lecture number 6 of this chapter, Light. So Light chapter 2 reflection part 2 complete kora hoise. So আজি আমি এটা নতুন topic discuss কৰিম, that is refraction. But topic to discuss কৰাৰ আগত আমি কেইটামান numerical solve কৰিম based on reflection. So these numericals are continuation from the last lecture. So now let us see type C numericals too. Question number 4 says, an arrow 2.5 cm height is placed at a distance of 25 cm from a diverging mirror of focal length 20 cm. Find the nature, position and size of the image formed. So yat arrow dal hoise object. So objector height dia ase 2.5 cm, object distance dia ase 25 cm, aru yat mirror khon hoise diverging mirror. So ami janu je convex mirror khonoko diverging mirror buli koy. Right? So convex mirror focal length dia ase 20 cm. So we have to find out the nature, position and size of the image. Okay guys, let me explain you with the help of a ray diagram. Etia soa ekhon hoise convex mirror aru AB to hoise object. So ami jano je object to hodai left side e form hoy. Right? So objector height dia ase 2.5 cm. Aru objector distance dia ase 25 cm. This is the distance. So etia soa convex mirror konar focal length dia ase kiman 20 cm. So ami jano je convex mirror khetrot image to hodai right side e form hoy. Tar mane mirror konar pisphale image to form hoy. So etia ami uliabo lagibo image to height aru distance to. Okay? So ki dia hoy ase soa object height h1 equal to 2.5 cm, object distance u equal to minus 25 cm, focal length f equal to 20 cm. So yat focal length to positive. So ami jano je convex mirror khetrot focal length to hodai positive hoy. Right? So we have to find out the image distance and image height. So ami image distance to uliabole karne mirror formula use korim, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Aru image or height to uliabole hole magnification formula. So it is solution to soa 1 by v equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Now by putting the value of f and u, that is 20 and minus 25 respectively, and then calculating it, we will get image distance v equal to 11.1 cm. So image to mirror khonor pra 11.1 cm distance ot produce hobo behind the mirror. Okay? Next image or height to uliabole hole magnification formula use korim. Therefore h2 equal to minus v into h1 by u. So etia ami v, h1 aru u values kita janu, right? Now let's do the calculation. So after doing the calculation, we will get height of the image h2 equal to minus 1.11 cm. So image or height to hoise 1.11 cm aru nature to hoise virtual aru erect. Aru size to object utke horu. Karon objector height asil 2.5 cm aru ami image or height to palu 1.11 cm. So obviously diminished hobo. So this was a easy question, right? Now let us see question number 5. A convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Etia soa ami jano je automobile or rear view convex mirror use hoy, right? So convex mirror khonor radius of curvature dia ase 3 meter. Aru yat bus khon hoise object. So objector distance dia ase 5 meter. So etia ami uliabo lagibo image to position, nature aru size. So etia ray diagram to soa convex mirror khonor radius of curvature kiman dia ase 3 meter aru objector distance dia ase 5 meter. So etia ami uliabo lagibo image to height aru size to. So ki dia ase soa radius of curvature equal to 3 meter, object distance equal to 5 meter. We have to find out image distance and height of the image. So yet ami formula ki use korim. Image distance or karne ami mirror formula, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. Aru image or height uliabole hole ami magnification formula use korim. So it is solution to soa first ate ami image distance uliam. Okay? So it is image distance uliabole hole yat f or value to dia nai. So it ami f or value to keneke uliam. We know the formula, that is F equal to R by 2. So 3 by 2 we will get 1.5 meter. So যিহেতু convex mirror, সেই কাৰণে focal length to আমি পালো plus 1.5 meter. Am I clear? So এতিয়া আমি easily image distance to উলিয়াব পাৰিম. Now by putting the value of F and U, that is 1.5 and minus 5, we will get V equal to 1.15 meter. So image to mirror khonor pisphale 1.15 meter distance ot form hobo. Clear? So it is object distance to eto minus 5 meter hobo lage. Okay? So it am easily magnification formula use kori image or height to uliabo parim, right? That is plus 0.23. So the image distance is 1.15 meter and it is virtual, erect and smaller in size by a factor of 0.23. So I hope you all are clear now. Now let us recall reflection of light. So light to hoise eta form of energy jot amar visionot sensation produce kore. Light is a form of energy that produces the sensation of vision. Etia lightor eta property ase, he property to hoise rectilinear propagation. Tar mane light to jetia travel kore straight line or travel kore. As you can see here, light is traveling in a straight line. So basically at a transparent mediumot light to travel korile straight line or travel kore. Clear? Etia soa reflection of light. So ekhon opaque surface aru ami janu je opaque surface ot light to par hobo nware. So objector pra jundal incident ray ahise, he ray dal opaque surface ot strike kora pisot reflect hoise. Aru edal hoise reflected ray. Etia incident ray aru normal or mazot eta angle form hoise. He angle to hoise angle of incidence. Aru reflected ray normal or mazot aru eta angle form hoise. He angle to hoise angle of reflection. Etia ami janu je ei duita angle equal. That means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So I hope tumalukor reflection of light to clear. Well, etia ami janu je eta transparent mediumot light to travel korile straight line or travel kore, right? Kintu light to jetia eta transparent mediumor pra an eta transparent mediumot humai, tetia light ray dal keneke travel kore? Straight line or travel kore ne direction to change hoy. So we will study everything in this topic, that is refraction of light. So the refraction of light or definition to swa, change in the direction of propagation of a ray of light when it travels obliquely from one medium to another transparent medium is called refraction of light. So light to jetia eta medium or pra an eta transparent medium ole travel kore, tetia he light of ray direction to change hoy. So yake refraction of light buli koy. Clear? So students, definition bo tumaluke memorize koribole try no koriba, ebar jodi bujilwa nije likhibo pariba. Okay? So now let us understand refraction through a rectangular glass slab. So glass to hoise eta denser medium aru air to hoise rarer medium. Etia swa light ray PQ dal jetia air or pra ahi glassot humaise, tetia he light ray dal straight line or travel nokori normal dalor fale bend hoi goise. Can you see here? So jetia light ray dal rarer medium or pra denser medium ot humai, in this case from air to glass, tetia light ray dal normal or fale bend hoy. So from rarer to denser, light ray bends towards the normal. Clear? Kintu jetia light ray QR dal glass or pra ulai air ot humaise, tetia he light or ray dal straight line or travel nokori normal dalor pra bend hoy atori goise. Aru a ray daloke koy emergent ray. So yate PQ dal hoise incident ray, QR dal hoise refracted ray aru RS dal hoise emergent ray. Clear students? So from denser to rarer, that means from glass to air, the light ray it will bend away from the normal. So etia tumaluke jodi observe kora, a emergent ray dal incident ray direction or logot parallel, right? So can you give me the reason why does it happen so? Karon to hoise a rectangular glass slab or duta parallel surface AB aru CD, AB to hoise air glass interface aru CD to hoise glass air interface. So a parallel face dutat light ray dal jiman to extent ot bend hoise he extent to equal aru opposite. That is why the ray emerges parallel to the incident ray. Am I clear, students? Okay, so এতিয়া এই এংগলটো হৈছে angle of incident, এইটো angle হৈছে angle of refraction, আৰু এই এংগলটো হৈছে angle of emergent. Clear? Now, let us understand why does the ray of light bend. So, আমি এখন tractor analogy consider কৰিম. এতিয়া চোৱা ট্ৰেক্টৰখন ৰাস্তাটোত গৈ আছে আৰু অলপ টাইম যোৱাৰ পিছত ৰাস্তাটোৰ সাইডত থকা sandখিনিলে ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ ডিৰেকচনটো মুভ কৰিলে. As you can see here in the diagram. এতিয়া চোৱা ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ ৰাইট সাইডটো হৈছে sand আৰু লেফট সাইডটো হৈছে ৰাস্তাটো. So ট্ৰেক্টৰখন sandখিনিত সোমোৱাৰ লগে লগে ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ হুইলৰ স্পীডটো কমি স্লো হৈ গ'ল. কিন্তু sandখিনিৰ পৰা ওলাই ৰাস্তাটোত অহাৰ পিছত ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ হুইলটোৰ স্পীড বাঢ়িব আৰু অৰিজিনেল স্পীডত আহি যাব. So এই এনালজিটো লাইট ৰে নিচিনা, য'ত এটা মিডিয়ামৰ পৰা আন এটা মিডিয়ামত ট্ৰেভেল কৰে. এতিয়া চোৱা এইটো কেছত যোনটো ফাৰ্ষ্ট বাউণ্ডাৰী ৰাস্তাৰ পৰা চেণ্ডলে ক্ৰছ কৰোঁতে ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ স্পীডটো কমি যাব আৰু ছেকেণ্ড বাউণ্ডাৰীত তাৰ মানে চেণ্ডৰ পৰা ৰাস্তালে ক্ৰছ কৰোঁতে ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ স্পীডটো বাঢ়ি যাব. ক্লিয়াৰ এভৰিৱান? So speed is more on the road and speed is less in the sand. এতিয়া ডায়াগ্ৰামটোত চোৱা চেণ্ডখিনি ট্ৰেক্টৰখন সোমোৱাৰ লগে লগে ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ হুইলৰ স্পীডটো কমি গ'ল আৰু ট্ৰেক্টৰখন ষ্ট্ৰেইট লাইনত নগৈ ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ পাথটো নৰ্মেলৰ ফালে বেণ্ড হৈ গ'ল. এজ ইউ কেন সি হিয়াৰ. কিন্তু চেণ্ডখিনিৰ পৰা ওলোৱাৰ লগে লগে ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ হুইলৰ স্পীডটো বাঢ়ি যাব আৰু ট্ৰেক্টৰখন নৰ্মেলৰ পৰা আঁতৰি যাব. ক্লিয়াৰ এভৰিৱান? So from here we can conclude that tractor bends towards the normal as its velocity decreases. So ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ velocity কমি যোৱাৰ লগে লগে ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ পাথটো নৰ্মেল ডালৰ ফালে বেণ্ড হ'ব. So we can say that light bends towards the normal as its velocity decreases. So লাইটটো নৰ্মেলৰ ফালে বেণ্ড হৈ যাব যেতিয়া লাইট বেণ্ডৰ velocityটো কমি যাব. Am I clear guys? Alright guys, আৰু এটা কেছ চোৱা ট্ৰেক্টৰখন ষ্ট্ৰেইট লাইনত মুভ কৰিলে ডিৰেকশ্যনটো চেঞ্জ নহয়. তাৰ মানে লাইট ৰেডাল নৰ্মেলি ইনচিডেণ্ট হ'লে যেতিয়া ক্ৰছ কৰে তেতিয়া সেই ৰেডাল ডেভিয়েট হৈ নাযায় আৰু স্পীডটো একেই থাকিব. Am I clear? So from here we can conclude that from rarer to denser the path of the tractor bends towards the normal. So ইয়াত ৰেয়াৰটো হৈছে ৰাস্তাটো আৰু ডেন্সাৰটো হৈছে চেণ্ডটো. Okay? And from denser to rarer the tractor it bends away from the normal. So যেতিয়া চেণ্ডৰ পৰা ৰাস্তালৈ যায় তেতিয়া ট্ৰেক্টৰখনৰ পাথটো নৰ্মেলৰ পৰা আঁতৰি যায়. And if light travels straight there is no deviation. So light ৰেডাল নৰ্মেলি ইনচিডেণ্ট হ'লে তেতিয়া সেই ৰেডাল ডেভিয়েট হৈ নাযায়. Clear guys? Now let us see what happens when rare to denser. So এতিয়া আমি জানো যে এয়াৰটো হৈছে এটা ৰেয়াৰ মিডিয়াম আৰু ৱাটাৰ বা গ্লাছটো হৈছে এটা ডেন্সাৰ মিডিয়াম. So যেতিয়া ইনচিডেণ্ট ৰেডাল ৰেয়াৰৰ পৰা ডেন্সাৰ মিডিয়ামত সোমাই তেতিয়া সেই ৰেডাল ষ্ট্ৰেইট লাইনত ট্ৰেভেল নকৰি নৰ্মেল ডালৰ ফালে বেণ্ড হৈ আহে. As you can see here. So this is the angle of incidence and this is the refracted ray. So this is the angle of refraction. So from here we can say that the refracted ray it bends towards the normal when it travels from rarer to denser. Clear everyone? So light ray dal normalor phale bend hoar reason to hoise he light ray dalor velocity to komi gol. So guys, this is an important point you need to know. Alright? Now let us see what happens when the light travels from denser to rarer. So yat light ray dal denser mediumor pra rarer mediumot ahise. So a denser medium to hoise water aru rarer medium to hoise air. So incident ray dal denser mediumor pra rarer mediumot humor loge loge straight line o travel nokori normal dalor pra bend hoi atori gol. So a dal hoise refracted ray and this is the angle of refraction. So as you can see here, when light ray travels from denser to rarer, it bends away from the normal because the velocity increases. So yate light ray dal normalor pra atori gol karon yar velocity to he light ray dalor velocity to barhi gol. So jetia denser par rarer mediumot light ray dal travel kore তেতিয়া হে লাইট ৰে ডালৰ ভেলোচিটিটো বাঢ়ি যায় আৰু হে কাৰণে লাইট ৰে ডাল নৰ্মেল ডালৰ পৰা আঁতৰি যায় am I clear guys now let us see the last case what happens when the light ray travels along the normal so যেতিয়া নৰ্মেলৰ লগত লাইট ৰে ডাল ইনসিডেন্ট হয় তেতিয়া হে ৰে ডাল it passes undeviated deviate হৈ নাযায় কাৰণ ভেলোচিটিটো কমি যায় it passes undeviated because the velocity decreases so students I hope you all understood these important points okay now let's do something interesting let's test your conception through this quiz so guys it's like a real-time quiz where you're gonna get 4 options and you have to choose the correct one also I will set the timer so guys you have to answer within that time am I clear so all the best now I hope everyone is excited so let us see the first question if a ray of light strikes the glass slab at 30 degree what is the angle of incidence so you have got 4 options option A angle I equal to 30 degree so here angle I means angle of incidence okay option B angle I equal to 60 degree option C angle I equal to 40 degree and option D angle I equal to 0 degree so guys like a real-time quiz I will set the timer and you have to answer within that time am I clear so your time starts now alright time's up so now can you tell me which is the correct option yes option B that is angle I equal to 60 degree so এখন গ্লাস স্ল্যাবত যদি এডাল লাইট ৰে 30 ডিগ্ৰীত স্ট্ৰাইক কৰে তেতিয়া এংগল অফ ইনসিডেন্সটো হ'ব 60 ডিগ্ৰী কাৰণ আমি জানো যে এটা সাৰফেসত নৰ্মেলটো সদায় 90 ডিগ্ৰী সো গ্লাস স্ল্যাবখনত যেতিয়া লাইট ৰে ডালে 30 ডিগ্ৰীত স্ট্ৰাইক কৰিছে তেতিয়া এংগল অফ ইনসিডেন্সটো হ'ব 90 degree minus 30 degree which is equal to 60 degree so I hope everyone understood now let us see the second question if a ray of light strikes the glass slab normally what is the angle of incidence so options are option A angle I equal to 30 degree option B angle I equal to 60 degree option C angle I equal to 40 degree and option D angle I equal to 0 degree so guys your time starts now okay time's up so now can you tell me which is the correct answer yes option D that is angle I equal to 0 degree so এখন গ্লাস স্ল্যাবত যেতিয়া এডাল লাইট ৰে নরমালি স্ট্রাইক কৰে তেতিয়া হে ৰেডাল ডেভিয়েট হৈ নাযায় ওকে তাৰ মানে হে ৰেডাল বেন্ড নহয় হে কাৰণে angle of incidence টো হৈছে 0 degree okay so the ray of light which is incident normally on a plain glass slab passes undeviated remember that okay so that is such a ray suffers no bending at the surface and hence the angle of incidence is 0 degree clear everyone okay now presenting the third question if a ray of light strikes the glass slab at 30 degree what is the angle of emergence so here you have to find out the angle of emergence so options are option A angle E equal to 30 degree so here angle E means angle of emergence alright option B angle E equal to 40 degree option C angle E equal to 60 degree and option D angle E equal to 0 degree so your time starts now alright guys your time's up so now can you tell me which is the correct answer yes the correct answer is option C that is angle of emergence is 60 degree so glass slab khonot jodi light ray dale 30 degree strike kore তেতিয়া angle of emergence to hobo 60 degree so tumaloke monot rakhiba glass slabor case tut angle of emergence to hodai angle of incidence or logot equal so eta ami janeke angle of incidence to uliao teneke ami angle of emergence to uliabo paru karon ami janu je normal to hoise 90 degree so jete ray dale glass khonot 30 degree strike korise tete angle of incidence to hobo 90 degree minus 30 degree which is 60 degree right so jehetu glass slabor case angle of emergence aru angle of incidence equal hoy so he karne angle of emergence to hobo 60 degree. So I hope everyone understood. Now let us see the fourth question. A ray of light strikes a glass slab at an angle of 50 degree with the normal to the surface of the slab. What is the angle of incidence? So options are option A 50 degree, option B 25 degree, option C 40 degree and option D 100 degree. Okay guys, so your time starts now. Alright, time's up. So the correct answer is option A, that is angle of incidence is 50 degree. So jihokol students option A to mark korisa. So well done guys. I hope you understood the question. Aru jihokol students option C, that is 40 degree to bhabisila. Tumaleke question to bhalke porha aru ki hudise hetu swa. So glass slab khonot light ray dale glass slabor surface to strike kora nai. Remember that. Glass slab khonot light ray dale normal dalot strike korise, okay, at 50 degree. So okol jodi surface ot strike korile hoy titia angle of incidence to hol 40 degree. Kintu etia normal logot jodi strike kore titia angle of incidence to hobo 50 degree itself. Karon moi already explain korisilu je light ray dal jetia normalot strike kore titia he ray dal pass hote deviate nohoy. Now let us see question number 5. I think question number 4 has been repeated, so we will skip this question, okay? Alright, now see question number 6. A ray of light gets deviated when it passes obliquely from one medium to another medium because, so you have got 4 options. Option A, color of light changes. Option B, frequency of light changes. Option C, speed of light changes. And option D, intensity of light changes. So your time starts now. Okay guys, time's up. So now can you tell me which is the correct option? Yes, option C, because speed of light changes. So lighter speed to change hoar karone light ray dal deviate hoi jay jetia eta medium or pra an eta medium ot humai. Am I clear everyone? So I hope you all got the correct option. Next, see question number 7. Rakesh performs the experiment of tracing the path of a ray of light passing through a rectangular glass slab for different angles of incidence. He observes that in all cases, okay, so you have got 4 options. Option A, angle I is greater than angle R, but angle I is equal to angle E. Option B, angle I is smaller than angle R, but angle I is equal to angle E. Option C, angle I is greater than angle E, but angle I is equal to angle R. And option D, angle I is smaller than angle E, but angle I is equal to angle R. So yet, angle I2 is the angle of incidence, angle R2 is the angle of refraction, and angle E2 is the angle of emergence. Okay students, your time starts now. So students, which is the correct option? Yes, option A. So Rakesh tar experimentot ekhon rectangular glass slabot light ray dalor path to jetiai trace kore belek belek angle of incidence ot tetiai hi observe korile je gutei kita kesote angle of incidence to angle of refraction otke dangor hoy, kintu angle of incidence aru angle of emergence to equal. So option A is the correct one, that is angle I is greater than angle R, but angle I is equal to angle E. I hope everyone is clear. Now let us see the last question. I suppose the last question has been repeated, so we will skip this also. Anyway guys, we will practice more such important questions, okay? So I hope you all enjoyed the quiz session, and with this we are done for lesson number 6. So this topic is not completed yet. We shall continue it in our next lecture. So stay tuned.